Hi Dia, thank you for inviting me to your channel.
You're welcome.
Hey, I'm very excited today.
Why are you very excited?
I never ever imagined that I'd be sitting here discussing AI with you.
Me too.
How cool is that?
Very cool.
Yeah, so just 2 weeks ago, you made a video on programming,
Yep.
right? And today you want to talk about AI.
Yep.
So tell me, what got you interested with computers?
I think of all the other kids, I started using my iPad to watch cool videos and learn new things. They all changed since the time you gave me my very own laptop. When I write code, I can see my results immediately, and that's very cool and interesting, and it captures my imagination.
So what is AI?
AI is artificial intelligence. The easiest way I understand AI is by splitting it into two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial is something that is not natural and something that is not original. Intelligence is something that you can see, learn, think, and analyze. Intelligence is also found in us humans and other living beings. When you train a machine or a computer to think and act by itself, it becomes artificially intelligent.
Hey, that's a really cool way to think of artificial intelligence. Even I never thought about artificial intelligence in two different words and how you combine them to simplify the explanation of artificial intelligence. High five, give me a high five on that. Awesome. So what got you interested in AI?
I watch DIYs on YouTube and I watch movies on Netflix. When I watch all of this, I wonder, how does YouTube and Netflix know what I exactly like and don't like? Example, if there's a channel, Sarah Beauty Corner, and there are these videos which I like but I never watched it. I may not watch it, but it can be interesting. So I think these videos can be based on artificial intelligence.
Good thinking. I love that. So how did you learn about AI?
I took this really cool course on AI for Oceans. It helps me learn more about artificial intelligence. So let me give you a few examples. So there's this really cool machine which is called AI, and you need to feed it with images. Example, seaweed, fish, sharks, and all sorts of things. So if you wanted to figure out a picture of a fish, it splits into two terms. Fish, not fish. So if you show a picture of a fish, it goes into the fish. If it shows seaweed, it goes into not fish. So other than all this, I had watched videos on YouTube and read articles on the internet.
That's awesome. Nice. So how do you think a computer is able to tell a fish different from a toothbrush?
First, you need to train the machine with thousands and thousands of images. Next, the machine studies the object by features in sense of a fish. It studies gills, fin, tail, where the mouth is located, eye located, and shape. Then, when you feed a new object, the machine checks if the features of a fish is matching to the object. If they match 100%, that means it's a fish. So it's a fish. If the machine knows the features are very high, it builds a high confidence score. It's similar to how the human brain is trained. For example, you and mom told me so many times that this is a fish and this is a toothbrush. So now my brain is trained to recognize these objects. Same for computers. They need training.
That's awesome. I really like the way that you took the concept of training a machine and explained it using how a kid's brain is trained to recognize the very same objects. I think that's a very simple and powerful way to explain this concept. Give me a high five again. All the examples you told me till now, they are all based on computers understanding images. Do you think computers can understand other forms as well?
It depends on the training data you give to the computer. It can be in many types of forms. Example, text, like Google search, videos, YouTube, audio, Alexa and Spotify, and images like we discussed.
That's nice. So you're saying we can train a computer to recognize voice and take commands through voice as well?
Yeah.
That's cool. So what's the difference between machine learning and AI?
If AI is up here and machine learning is here, when you train a computer and it learns, it transforms into AI. And AI is the result of machine learning.
So this is very similar to like when you said we train the computer with images. So that is the machine learning part. And then after we train it, then it becomes artificially intelligent to be able to recognize those images, right?
Yep.
That's cool. So earlier you learned programming, right?
Yep.
You did coding on code.org.
Yep.
How is programming computers different than artificial intelligence?
Okay, programming computers is giving specific instructions. Example, in the game Pac-Man, if you want Pac-Man to move from here to here, and then if you want him to turn 90, what the encode you're supposed to give is move forward by 50 and turn right 90. But in AI, you can't give specific instructions. You train it. So you can show it how to learn and it can make its own decisions.
Okay. That's an easy way to understand the difference between programming and AI. Thank you. So based on everything that you've said so far, if computers are able to learn on their own and then think on their own, it seems like AI is very, very powerful technology.
Yeah.
Do you think sometime in future computers will become more intelligent than human beings?
I don't know, but it seems possible. We humans need to figure out and decide what is important for us and let AI be more intelligent.
Wow, that's deep. So what do you think is the coolest use of AI?
Daddy, me and you listen to a lot of reggae music, right? And we listen to a lot of Indian music. Imagine if we both fuse them both and it becomes a total new genre of music. It'll be like Bob Marley coming back to life.
So what do you think will happen to AI in 10 years? By the time you grow up, how is the world going to look like?
AI is already used in many different things, like in TV, in the internet, in music, and in driverless cars. So I think 10 years from now, our life will be powered up by AI.
Did you just say life powered by AI?
Yeah.
Wow. I never thought of that. I think that's phenomenal to think of life being powered by AI. So it looks like you got a hang of what is machine learning and AI. What's next?
This is just the beginning. I'm going to start writing my own AI programs and continue to learn more.
Awesome.
And I hope somebody who's very good at AI watches this video and helps me learn more about AI in a more advanced way.
We all look forward to learning with you. I wish you the best in your learning.
Thank you. Daddy, your hair looks extremely cool today.
Oh,